How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly buy Bitcoin on Cash App. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So the steps for these, or this process rather, are quite simple, and all you guys really have to do is follow the on-screen instructions when you want to buy Bitcoin on Cash App. So assuming that you guys have your account set up and you're ready to buy Bitcoin. Oh, and you've linked your Cash App to your bank account. You're ready to actually buy Bitcoin. So the simple version is to purchase Bitcoin on Cash App. What you want to do is once you've opened the app and you're on the home screen or the dashboard, whatever, you want to click on the Buy BTC button. So BTC obviously stands for Bitcoin, and I think this button is actually found on the uh, what was it? The lower left corner of the screen. Actually, let me check here. There should be an option showing you where you could buy Bitcoin. Okay, so it looks a little something like this. So it's pretty basic, and what's going to happen next is you're going to enter the amount, or rather, how much Bitcoin you want to buy, and the app will then ask for your PIN as a security measure to make sure that you're you and your account is not being used by anyone else. And that'd be it. So from there on out, you just need to review the details and actually buy the Bitcoin. Now, the long version goes, what you need to do is sign up for an account, and it's pretty basic. If you guys are on uh, Android, then obviously go to the Google Play Store, download the Cash App app, and once it's successfully installed, you basically want to open it, and the app will take you through a whole sign up process where you'll be linking your Cash App to a phone number or an email address. And when you do, you're going to then link it to your bank account, and it looks a little something like this. Where is it? Okay, so here it is. So it even reads, connect a funding source and add basic personal information to your Cash App to link it to your bank account. So add your debit card to your Cash App. Looks like this. Basically enter the debit card number, the expiration date, as well as the 3-digit security number. And once you're past that, basically just link your card and you should be good to go. Now, once you've had all of that set up, your account as well as the link to your debit card, you're ready to buy Bitcoin. And to buy Bitcoin, like I said, from the home screen, just click on the Buy BTC button located at the bottom left of your screen, and should take you to a page that looks like this. And from here, you can actually buy Bitcoin in exchange for your money. So looks like this, pretty straightforward. Doesn't take a rocket scientist to operate this. And once you're done, click on confirm, and congratulations, you've successfully bought Bitcoin with your money. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily, so if you want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.